Across the globe, the only liquid that people drink more of than tea is water. That's right, tea is the second most consumed drink in the entire world. Generally, it's known as a hot drink that comes from pouring boiling water over dried leaves of shrubs or other plants, called by different names, having different benefits and various colors. All teas are definitely not created equally. Black and red teas are popular in Europe and Africa, but green tea might just be the most well-rounded and healthy tea you can find, no matter where you're from. Take a look at a few reasons why this Asian tea is growing in popularity around the world. It lowers blood pressure. Researchers have discovered that drinking green tea consistently can have a noticeably positive impact on people who suffer from high blood pressure. It's necessary to drink 4 cups a day for several months for the benefits to be noticed in some people. It doesn't have much caffeine compared to coffee or black tea, so 4 cups would be perfect to consume each day. It lowers blood sugar. Blood pressure isn't the only thing that we want to lower as we age. For those who are borderline diabetic, green tea could help you naturally lower your blood sugar and avoid becoming a full-blown diabetic. By slowing down the liver's production of glucose, green tea's phenols, also known as tannins, work like insulin, assisting all types of people with diabetes. Aids in weight loss. If you've plateaued on your journey to a slimmer waist, adding green tea